Now we are in Ashna's uncle's home. It's a very beautiful place. Look, there is a pond left side of their home. A lot of fishes are in this pond, but we can't see now because it's very small. Oh, look, there is a dog. It's very familiar with the house members, but we are afraid with him. Oh my god. Oh, look, he's barking. But it is very friendly with them. Can you see? Oh, the children are playing with him. They have no fear. Look, what is he doing? Guys, Ashna's uncle is a farmer also. Now we are going to visit his tapioca plantation. Oh, look, yeah, very nice area, greenery place. Uncle is describing about the farming. It is very interesting experience. We cannot go fastly because of the tapioca. Oh, what a pathetic scene. Can you see this? Yes, the pig destroyed a lot of tapioca here. Ashna's father is in front of me. Can you see the red color t-shirt? Yes, he is the father of Ashna. Uncle and Papa, they are discussing about the farming. He is showing a type of turmeric tree. I don't know what is the name of this. Okay, he is saying it is very useful and very expensive also. Guys, do you know why I came here? Yes, I want to show you the fish. Yes, he told me a lot of fishes are in this pond. Yeah, we can see now. Oh my god. The uncle is saying because of the rain, the fish not come outside. Oh, sorry, my dear friend. He's saying to come summer season. Sure, we come, uncle. Guys, that time I will show you fishes. Sorry, now, please.
Hi guys, now we are waiting for a special dish. Oh sorry, I forgot to introduce them in front of you. And this is my cousin Avantika. I think you are familiar with her. And these two are my uncle's children. This is Arde and this is Gaudi Ganeshana.
Smell is coming.
Yes, my uncle is preparing a special dish for us. She is also very interesting in preparing dish.
Guys, now we are in kitchen. Ashna's uncle, he can make food very well. I think Andy is very lucky because of him. And he also making dishes very well. I don't know what are the ingredients they added here. Now Andy frying the chicken. Oh, can you feel the smell? Wow. Because of the experience, they have no fear, they have no tension. I think they are really enjoying the cooking. ലാസ്റ്റ് വെള്ളം
ആവശ്യത്തിന് ഇതിലുള്ള വെള്ളം ചിലപ്പോൾ നേക്കനെ കൂട്ടാവും. ഇനി അതും ആയില്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ആവശ്യത്തിന്.
Guys, are you interested in cooking? I am interested in eating, so I have no doubt in cooking. The chicken curry is ready. Another area, they are preparing ghee rice. The ghee rice also becoming ready. Okay, so let's go to dinner room. Oh, here they started to serve the food items. Guys, we have no time. Now we are going to have the food items. So see you on next episode. Now let's wind up. Bye bye.